Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Kindle highlights to a new Amazon account. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your existing Amazon account. Go to the Kindle My Clippings file. You can find this file on your Kindle device or in the Kindle app. If using a Kindle device, connect it to your computer via USB. Navigate to the Documents folder on your Kindle. Locate the myclippings.txt file. Copy this file to your computer for backup. If using the Kindle app, your highlights are saved in your account. Consider using the Kindle app to export highlights. Select the book you want to transfer highlights from. Access the Notes or Highlights section within the app. Manually copy the text of your highlights to a document. Next, log out of your current Amazon account. Create a new Amazon account if you haven't already. Log into your new Amazon account. Go to the Kindle store and download the books you want to keep. Open the Kindle app or device and synchronize your books. For each book, use the highlights you've copied. Manually add your highlights to the new account. Repeat this process for each book with highlights. Check that all highlights are correctly transferred. You've successfully moved your Kindle highlights to a new Amazon account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.